The 1969 Chevrolet Corvette is one of the most iconic American sports cars, and among collectors, few years generate as much excitement. With sharp styling, multiple powertrain options, and a reputation for performance, the '69 Corvette remains a sought-after classic. But every once in a while, a particular example emerges that stands out from the rest. This is the case with the Daytona Yellow 1969 Corvette that recently hit the market after undergoing a $20,000 restoration effort. What makes this Corvette so special comes down to three key points. It comes equipped with one of the rarest engines offered in 1969, it spent nearly its entire life with the same owner, and it wears a color that is rarely seen on a Corvette from this era. For enthusiasts and collectors, these details make it a highly desirable find. In 1969, Chevrolet produced over 38,700 Corvettes, with coupes dominating the lineup at more than 22,000 units. Buyers had a wide array of engines to choose from. The base 350 cubic inch engine produced 300 horsepower, while the L46 and L36 bumped output to 350 and 390 horsepower respectively. From there, the options only got more powerful. The L68 delivered 400 horsepower from a big block 427, while the L71 raised the bar to 435 horsepower. At the very top of the range sat the legendary L68, a brutally powerful aluminum block engine, but its enormous cost meant only two were sold that year. The Corvette now listed for sale is equipped with the L68 engine, a rarity in its own right. Only about 5.3% of 1969 Corvettes carried this engine, making it one of the rarest configurations available, without venturing into the astronomically expensive L88 territory. According to the seller, the numbers on this car all match, which further enhances its authenticity and value. The engine is said to start, run, and drive properly, a testament to the restoration work invested. Another factor that elevates this car is its Daytona Yellow paintwork. Chevrolet never revealed official production numbers by color, but this shade is far less common compared to the typical reds and blues of the era. The Corvette has already received a repaint, and the finish looks spotless in its current form. The story behind the car also adds to its charm. The current seller acquired it directly from the widow of the original owner, preserving its long history with a single family. After purchasing the vehicle, they invested $20,000 in a comprehensive refresh, ensuring it was road-ready and visually striking. Among the updates, the original fuel tank was replaced with a correct unit, but the original, complete with factory sticker, is included in the sale to document authenticity. While it may not be a concourse perfect example, the car checks all the right boxes for a collector: a rare engine, a rare color, and long-term ownership history. The asking price is $65,000 firm, which positions it as a serious collectible rather than just another classic driver. The Corvette is currently located in Bonita, California, and the seller is listing it on eBay under the username JohnnyCash247. With just under a month remaining on the listing, potential buyers have time to arrange inspections and negotiations. But given the rarity of this configuration, it's unlikely to remain on the market for long. For enthusiasts looking to add a rare and well-preserved Corvette to their collection, this 1969 Daytona Yellow L68 Corvette represents a golden opportunity to own a piece of American muscle car history.